Good morning all. Today we'll see a case test table which is one of the problem of the frequency test. Now this method is used to check whether the given random numbers are uniformly distributed or not. Let's see the problem. 5 random numbers, that is 0.44, 0.81, 0.14, 0.05 and 0.93 are generated using case test for uniformity of these numbers at alpha is equal to 0.05. Now this problem you have to check whether these given 5 randoms are uniformly distributed or not. So the first step is, you can see here, the first step is formulate the hypothesis. That is, hypothesis random numbers are uniformly distributed 0 and 1 versus hypothesis H1 Ri which is not uniformly distributed among 0 and 1. Now here n is nothing but number of the elements or number of the random numbers they had given. Now you can see there are the 5 numbers they had given, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the n will become here 5. So we know that here to find the case testable, the d value is nothing but equal to maximum of d plus and d minus. So d plus is nothing but maximum of I by n minus r of I. And d minus is nothing but maximum of r of I minus I minus n whole divided by n. Now I is nothing but the iteration of the random numbers. Now you can see here, first we have to see the I value. So I value will goes from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the random numbers in the case test table, we have to arrange these random numbers from ascending to descending order. So the first ascending order, the first, that is nothing but from smallest to the largest number. So the smallest number among these is nothing but 0.05. So first random number is 0.05. The next random number is 0.14. The next random number is 0.44. The next random number is 0.81. The next random number is 0.93. Now I by n, I value is what? 1 and n value is what? 5. So 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. The next value, what is the I value? 2. What is the n value? 5. So 2 by 5 is 0.4. The next value, 3 by 5, that is nothing but 0.6. Next value is 4 by 5, that is 0.8. The next value, I value is 5 and n value is 5. So it will be 1.0. Now we can see here the next value is, we have to find here I minus 1 divided by n. So I value is how much? 1. So 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. 0 by n is 0. The next, what is I value? 2. So 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. 1 by 5 is how much? 0.2. Again the next value, what is I value? 3. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. 2 divided by 5 is how much? 0.4. And so on we'll be doing till I is equal to 5. The next value we need to find here, I by n minus r of I. Now already we had finded here I by n and r of I also we know. So I by n minus r of I. So what is the I by n value? The first one 0.2 minus 0.05 will be how much? It will be 0.15. The next 0.4 minus 1.4 is how much? It will be 0.26. The next 0.6 minus 0.44 is how much? It will be 0.16. The next 0.8 minus 0.81 is how much? 0.01. The next 1.0 minus 0.93 is how much? 0.07. The same thing it will be followed for r of I minus 1 by n. So already we had found it here I by I minus 1 by n, that is this one. So what is the r of I value? That is 0.05 minus 0 is how much? It will be 0.05. The next, what is the next value? R of I. What is R of I values? 0.14 minus 0.02. Right? What it will be? What it will be? It will be now 0.06. The next, what is the next value? 0.44. 0.44 minus 0.4 is how much? It will be 0.04. The next 0.81 minus 0.04 is how much? It will be, sorry, 0.81 minus 0.6 is how much? 0.21. The next 0.93 minus 0.08 is how much? It will be 0.13. Now I can see what I have done here. 0.05 minus 0 is 0.05. Then 0.14 minus 0.2 is nothing but 0.0802. Next 0.44 minus 0.4 is how much? 0.04. Next 0.81 minus 0.06 is how much? It will be 0.21. Next it will be 0.93 minus 0.13 is how much? 0.7 is how much? It is a 13. So already we have to find here what? D plus. D plus is nothing but what? Maximum of I by n minus r of I. So maximum. So what is the D plus value? We have to find this one. This is nothing but D plus and this is nothing but D minus. Right? So what is the maximum among this one? Which is the maximum value? Maximum value is nothing but 0.26. So it will be 0.26. Now D minus. That is nothing but maximum of r of I minus I minus 1 divided by whole. Right? So what is the maximum value among this? It will be 0.21. Okay. Therefore, what we need to find here? D value. D value is nothing but maximum of D plus comma D minus. So maximum among this one and this one is which one? That is 0.26. So D value will be what? Now 0.26. Now we have to find here D alpha comma n. That is nothing but we are already given here D alpha value. What is the D alpha value? 0.05. So D 0.05 comma 5 equal to, will get here as 0.565 from. You can go to the 8.8 appendix, that is case test table. Okay. Therefore, what is the D value? D alpha is less than D alpha. You can see here D alpha is how much? 0.28 and D alpha is how much? 0.065. Therefore, we can tell here as hypothesis is accepted. If D is greater than D alpha, then it will be rejected. But in our case, D is less than the D alpha. So, therefore, hypothesis is accepted.